Hello, I'm here doing a walkthrough on this new indie game called White House. It looks similar to Slenderman. Run, flashlight. Okay. This is just a trial, so I don't know how long this is going to be. Yeah, the first landmark. It's just exactly like Slenderman. That's a big tape. Okay. 1 out of 8. I want to keep my flashlight off. I don't like going around things. Oh god. Oh no, there's a fence! I hate fences! Okay, let's just go. Keep going this way. Okay. Keep our flashlight off. Oh my gosh. I hate this. Okay. There's a river. That's good. Good. Oh my god. Okay, there. Okay. There's a landmark. Let's go to it. Oh no, this does not look good. Okay. Come on, where's the other tape? Where's the other tape? Oh god. Please no. Okay. Where's the other tape? Let's get out of here! I wanna get out of here, I wanna get out of here! Oh my god! God. Okay, just keep on going. Oh, okay. Oh, I saw that. Oh my gosh. Oh god. Let me just go. It's right there. Oh, there's a tree. Get out of here. Oh, let's just run this way. Let's just run this way. Oh my god! Yeah. Oh, please don't. Okay. Gotta try to go back there. Okay. Go back there. Yeah, I know there's tape here. There's gotta be a tape here. Okay. I don't like that sound! I don't like it! Oh yeah, there's no tape! Why? I just came here for no reason. Just to enjoy the beautiful scenery. Where is it? It's following me. Okay. Oh, there's the rock ahead. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay. Don't tell me that's a fence! I've been here before! No. Oh god, I hear it. Get away from me! Okay. I had to turn around. Okay. Just keep on going this way. Okay. Oh, I just coughed. Get away from me! Get away from me! Oh my god! Oh, oh my god! Get away from me! Oh my god! There's a fence! There's a wall! Okay, maybe I can go in here. This is a sanctuary. Oh no, it's not a sanctuary! He's right behind me! This is not okay! This is not okay! He disappeared! I don't like this fence. I want to get away. Oh, where am I supposed to go? There's a wall! It's just covering me! Where are you now? I can't see you! I can't run! Right there. Why'd you stop appearing in front of me? Oh my gosh. Okay. Maybe stop flashing me! I can't even run! Would you right there? Get away from me! Oh, what are these things? Are they like ants? They're weird. Okay. Oh my god, I just saw him! He's right there! He's right there! Get away from me! Just get away! Okay. It's a nice, calm little river. Let's just a little stroll down the river. Trying to calm down. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, leave any suggestions. If you want me to try to do this again, then let me know. If not, then that'll just save me a heart attack. Thank you. End.